Let us do question number 14. Compare the power used in 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. First is a 6 volt battery in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. Second is a 4 volt battery in parallel with 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. Okay, so let us have the first case. We have two resistors in series, 1 ohm and 2 ohm. They are connected to a battery of 6 volts. Okay, so let us calculate the power P is equal to I square R through 2 ohm resistor. For that purpose, we need to find the current of the circuit first of all. What is the equivalent resistance of the circuit? These are in series, so we will simply add them up, and total resistance of the circuit is 3 ohm. So current is V over R, 6 by 3, that is 2 ampere. So first of all, we find the total current flowing through the circuit. So what is the power consumed by 2 ohm resistor? P is equal to I square R. Let's put the values. I is 2 and its own resistance is 2. So 8 watt, that is the answer. 8 watt is the answer. This was first part. Now let's do the second part. In this case, we have two resistances of 12 ohm and 2 ohm, and they are connected in parallel to a battery of 6 volts, 4 volts. They are connected in parallel to a battery of 4 volt. So again we have to find power through 2 ohm resistor. When we are having series combination, students, we always use I square R formula because I is same. But when we are given parallel combination, then it is convenient to use P is equal to V square over R because potential difference is same, V is same. So using P is equal to V square over R for 2 ohm resistor, resistance is 2 and potential difference is 4 into 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 2, 8 watt again. So in this case also the power consumed by 2 ohm resistance, that is 8 ohm. Now let us see the next question. I'm going to share the screen once again. So this is question number 15. Two lamps, one rated 100 watt at 220 volt and the other 60 watt at 220 volt are connected in parallel to electric main supply. What current is drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt? ठीक है, हमने current in each case निकालना है when they are connected in parallel and then we will find the total current, right? So in both the cases, power and voltage rating is given to us. So let us see what is the power of first bulb, 100 watt, and battery voltage is 220 volts, same in both the cases. And P2 power of second bulb is 60 watt and voltage is 220 volt. Using P is equal to VI, we can find I1 and I2. We can find I1 and I2 directly. So P is 100 over 220. This is 5 by 11 ampere. I1 and I2 is 60 by 220. 1 0 gets cancelled and we get 3 by 11 ampere. So when they are connected in parallel, we know that the total current is sum of two currents. In parallel combination, current is not the same, it is the sum of individual currents. Okay, it is always the sum of individual currents. So what do we get? We write 5 by 11 plus 3 by 11. That is 8 by 11. So this is our answer. 8 by 11 ampere is the total current flowing in this case. All right. Now I'm going to share the next question, students. Question number 16. Which uses more energy? A 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes? Let me note down the data first. So we have a TV set and toaster. Two things are given. Power of TV set is 250 watt and it is operating for 1 hour. Power of toaster is 1200 watt and it is being run for 10 minutes only. Okay, it is being run for 10 minutes only. We have to find out which one is consuming more electrical energy. So let us see. So we have power is energy over time. So energy is power multiplied by time. But first of all, our units must be the same. ठीक है? तो ये ऐसे करते हैं, minutes को hours में convert कर देते हैं by dividing with 60. So 1/6 hours. So our electrical energy will be in watt hour then. Okay. So let us find in first case energy consumed by PV set. P1 T1 250 into 1, that is 250 watt hour. Now let us calculate energy consumed by toaster P2 T2, that is 1200 into 1/6, that is 200 watt hour. So PV set is consuming more energy, but you see it is being operated for 1 hour. Whereas toaster is consuming almost comparable amount of energy only in 10 minutes. So 10 minutes में toaster जितनी energy consume कर लेता है, TV set 1 hour में थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा consume करता है. ठीक है? Is that clear, students? Now I'm going to share the next question with you. 17th question. 18th question is conceptuals. We have already covered side by side. So this is your last question of the exercise. 17th question. It is again based on Joule's law of heating. Question is, an electric heater of resistance 8 ohm draws a current of 15 ampere from the service mains 2 hours. Time is 2 hours. Calculate the rate at which heat is developed in the heater. So rate of heat means power consumed we have to find. So there is no use of time here. So which expression we should use that contains I and R? We use I square R. So that's why we did 3 expressions. Whichever thing is given, we can use accordingly the formula. So P is equal to I square R, 15 square into 8. So this will be your answer in watt. If you solve, you will get your answer in watt. So your exercise is over now.